Bryce, where are you going? You walking in Daddy's shoes?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, Bryce. Good job. That's pretty cool. Oh, you can jump too? Jump. Oh man, that's pretty good. Those big anchors on your feet. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandpa. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Dada.
Say hi, Bryce.
Hi,
Which direction is it?
Bye.
What direction is this?
No.
What direction is this?
No.
What direction is this?
Ow.
Which way is up?
Up.
Which way is down?
I did go.
Which way is this?
Down.
Down. That's right.
Down. Up.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.